now we're at the state ref. I'm not actually getting the state ref for smog. I'm getting the state ref for the exhaust, just to make sure it's under like 95 decibels. Hopefully we pass. We should pass, bro. Everything's like back to stock and quiet, so yeah, we'll just have to see. But fingers crossed, I'll update y'all when we get there. Yes, sir. We just finished up. I got my certificate of compliance right here. Had to pay $108, but we officially got the certificate. So hopefully I don't have to worry about this no more. Car pass inspection. Finally, bro. What's up, guys? All right, so today, very exciting day. We're gonna be slapping on the Tomei back onto the BRZ. And if you guys didn't know, I had this whole ordeal of having to put my car back to stock and going to the state ref and then getting everything cleared, getting my certificate of compliance. Now we got everything cleared up. Time to slap the Tomei right back on this thing, but it's just for content purposes. All right, so right here, we got the Tomei 80R. And in my opinion, this is by far the best exhaust that you can get for the FRS or BRZ. I've ran like a number of exhausts from NVIDIA R400 to NVIDIA N1, N2. I even ran the Grady RS, but in my honest opinion, the Tomei is the best exhaust that you can get, especially for the build quality, the drone, and the sound. Overall, the best exhaust. And right now, my car is fully stock, exhaust all the way through. So let me give you guys a couple revs with fully stock exhaust and compare how it sounds after we install the Tomei onto the car. All right, so that's how the BRZ sounds, completely stock, super quiet, honestly super chill to drive. But let's slap on the Tomei and I'll show you guys how that sounds. And I happen to choose the freaking hottest day to work on the car, but gotta do what you gotta do, man. So right here on the Tomei, we got the muffler right here. It separates into a few pieces. We also got the mid pipe right here. And this thing is super light, like it's made out of titanium. So I can lift the entire exhaust with literally just one hand. So if you care about weight reduction or anything like that, the Tomei should save you a lot of weight from the exhaust, because the stock exhaust is pretty damn heavy. Alright guys, just took off the stock exhaust. Let me show you guys a little side-by-side comparison of the Tomei versus the stock exhaust. Alright, so on the right, we got the stock exhaust right here. It comes in two pieces. And this is actually an exhaust from the new BRZ, the 22 and up, but it still fits perfectly if any of you guys were wondering. And as you can see, this one's dual tip with the fat muffler right there, and it has 4 hanger points. But on the Tomei, it's a single exit. So there's only 2 hanger points right here and another one in the mid pipe, just like the stock one. And you can already just tell the Tomei, the quality on the Tomei is way better than the one on the stock one, because the Tomei one is full titanium. And there's a bunch of these clamps right here. We got one clamp right here, another one right here, one also in the mid pipe, along with these springs which keep them together. But my Tomei is already in one piece. So now it's time to slap the Tomei back onto the BRZ. I'm so excited to hear the Tomei again on the BRZ. All right, and just like that, we got the Tomei back in the car. This thing looks beautiful. And on the stock exhaust, it comes with these like spring-loaded bolts, but these actually do not fit the Tomei. So I use another set of nut and bolts, something like this, and it holds on pretty fine. It's because the holes on the Tomei are actually smaller, so the spring-loaded bolt doesn't actually fit through the hole of the Tomei, but it's all good. Just use another nut and bolt, and I've been running it like that since forever, and it's been fine. And here's another cool thing that I also love about the Tomei. So on the Tomei, there's a clamp, one of these clamps down here, and that clamp actually lets you adjust the exhaust. So just like that, you can angle it up, angle it down, and just tighten up that clamp down there. And you could pick kind of like the angle of your exhaust if you wanted to like point super up or point down, or just adjust it however you like. So that's also one cool thing about the Tomei. But enough of me talking. I know you guys want to hear how the Tomei sounds, so let's start it up, give it some revs, give it some juice. Hopefully my neighbors don't get too mad. My neighbors probably hate me right now, but I'm sorry. This is for the content. Bro, it sounds so good though, bro. I'm so happy to have the Tomei back on the car. If you guys are curious to my exhaust setup, it's fully stock all the way, stock header, stock front pipe. Just the Tomei itself, yeah, I don't know if you guys heard it, but it actually pops. Just with the cat back. So if you guys want some pops, all you really need is a Tomei. And I know if you get a Tomei front pipe or a catless front pipe, it pops even more, so. You don't even need headers to pop, and it already sounds so good, bro. And I also give you guys some flybys and some POV driving, what it sounds like in the car. So yeah, let's go for a drive. All right, time for some POV driving. I guess it's not really POV, but this is a in cabin with the windows down, so you guys can kind of hear how the exhaust sounds. And one thing I love about this exhaust is that there's like very minimal drone, especially compared to a lot of other exhausts, like the Gretty, and it's like quiet inside, but loud on the outside, which is like perfect in my opinion. One downside to this exhaust is that it is a 3-inch diameter, so it does sit pretty low. And this is at ride height. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the exhaust does sit super low. And this exhaust does scrape a lot when I'm driving, so if you guys are low boys, that might be something you would want to consider. But since the exhaust is titanium, it does kind of like bash up a little bit rather than just like cracking through the middle. Yeah, just one thing to keep in mind of if you are riding super low on the Tomei. All right, we got my lovely assistant right here. She's gonna be behind the wheel, giving you guys some flybys. Sheesh, that sounds perfect, honestly. I think it's perfect because it's not too loud, it's not too quiet. So it's like, it's loud when you want it to be, but it's quiet enough to where you can just chill and cruise if you want to. Thanks for your help. Alright y'all, we're ending the vlog with some tea. We got Happy Lemon, and the Tomei exhaust is officially on the car. Super refreshing to have an exhaust on the car again. But once again, I'm running fully stock everything else, stock header, stock front pipe, and running just the catback Tomei. And to be honest, this is the perfect exhaust, especially how it looks. It's like a big ass single exit. You can't go wrong with the Tomei, and it just sounds amazing. Not too much drone on the inside, and it's loud when you want to step on it. So overall, super happy the exhaust is back on the car, and that's gonna do it for this vlog. And if you guys are new, don't forget to hit the like. Also subscribe. We got a ton of new content for the BRZ coming, so definitely stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I'll catch y'all in the next one.